Good morning. You're probably still sleeping. But I got my groceries. This is what it looks like. Do you see little man back there? Just chilling. Anyway. So there's like this little zipper. Let's see. Oh, how cool. This is so fun. Alright. Looks like there's a tab here. Let's see. Cool. Okay, so you can put this back together. Little tab. Isn't it? Let's see. Oh, there's another wrapper. I think. Yep. Yep, another zipper. Sorry, I was jumping the gun. Oh, strangely satisfying. It's like one of those chocolate oranges. Okay. Put this in the garbage. Gonna drink a coffee, and then we're gonna dig in. All right, going off camera for a minute. Okay, it looks like they're all separated. Okay, let's take these off of here. I like the packaging. Let me move this over. Let's see. All right. First one. Oh, it's Jessie. It's Fate. Oh my gosh. It is Velveeta cheese. Oh, are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. It has even... I know, Louie, it's cheese. Let me see. Look at that. Has the logo. That is perfect. Oh, I'm hooked right away. They knew what they were doing. Set that right over there. All right. So it looks like there's this. Oh, it comes like a receipt. Are you kidding me? Adorable. So there's all of these ones to check off that you get if you were collecting them. There's commons. I love it. I love it. No, Louie. These are my groceries. You can't have this. This is Mama's. All right. I think Louie wants it because it's paper. But they can't have it. It's Mama's. I give you everything. Don't try to give me kisses. It won't work. This is mine. I can't believe I have cheese for the first one. That is insane. Oh my gosh. It only gets better. Okay. Ready? We'll do it the professional way. There's a little tab that I... Oh my gosh! Look at... It's got even the little lid! Oh my gosh. Roasted salted almonds. I got the makings for a great snack. I don't know why it's not focusing. All right. That's amazing. These are like perfect sizing too. Perfect. Jessie! TGI Fridays cheddar cheese stuffed jalapenos, the little freezer ones. Right down to ingredients and instructions. Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. Insane. It even has a little sticker with cilantro dip. Oh my gosh. Okay. Look at that. This is so funny. All right. I love this. I could never make them to look like this. This is so detailed. I think really worth the $6. You're getting 5 of them, so it's a little over $1 a miniature. As I slurp my coffee, you know. Oh, shut the front door. We're getting all good ones, Louie. Some hot dogs. Some wieners. They're even in cellophane wrap. Are you kidding me? I keep saying that, but it's so unreal. You know how real my refrigerator is going to look with actual products? That's insane. Let's see if I can get it in here. Look at that, even a barcode. Nuts. The hot dogs are a little bit off scale, but that's okay. Because it's going to be in the freezer, you know. Just looks hilarious. Looks like I got groceries, but they're tiny. I can't believe my first one was cheese. Okay, this one I don't really need. This is a shopping cart, but I will use it for parts. And I saw on there that you get one of these. So I think there's little stickers. 20% off of a rare. It's a coupon to get one of the rare balls. Yeah, I can use these for parts on something. That might make a nice picture frame. Yeah. Okay, so because I was just trusting that I was going to love them, I got a second one. So I know this is going to be a little bit longer of a video. So I will shut it off to be able to send you the second one. Stay tuned. Okay, we're back. Let's see what we got for these ones. Hang on. Did I? Yes, I almost threw one away. Are you kidding me? Be more careful. There should be 5. All right. Whew, I'm so excited. I'm a grown woman who's totally excited about food. That's, oh my word, Jessie. It's Cool Whip. Oh my gosh. Look at that. So they don't come apart or anything, but boy, do they look realistic. I can't get over it. I never even knew these existed. You know, on Walmart, you think, or on Amazon, you think the dollhouse food, it really won't matter. Oh my gosh. Kool-Aid jammers. Oh, the juice boxes. These are so worth it. And if you go on Etsy, they cost $30 for like 10 packages of stuff. So I was just going to download them and then get the card stock and do my own. But honestly, this is more fun and more realistic. And that really looks like groceries. I'm looking through the camera. That's insane. And it's all my stuff, like things that we normally eat. Anyway, what I was talking about is on Amazon, the food looks like fake. And you spend like $20 for maybe 3 good pieces. And other than that, it's like all desserts, you know, and just Barbie colored stuff. This is way better for what I'm doing, I think. All right, we have 3 more. I hope you're enjoying this. I am. I feel like I'm kind of hanging out with you a little bit. Now I understand why people do these. It's fun. No, it's not. No, it's not. It's a Pez dispenser. With lemon, and it's the lemon head. No. Oh my gosh. That is hilarious. In a package, too. It's an actual Pez. What? That's so funny. Wow. Oh my goodness. Aww. Animal crackers in my soup. Yes, Louie. Even with a little handle. Wow. No, you can't come down here. Get off my sweater. Get off my sweater. Nope, 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 nope. Stop. Sorry, Jess. Okay. Stop. No, come on. I don't have anything that's mine. Go. Like children under the bathroom door. Okay, last one, and then I gotta wait for like a month. But I don't know if I can. Okay, here's the thing. What is this? Icy Squeeze candy. That's funny. That is funny. Gotta have a snack drawer. I may have to make a little pantry. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me get these lined up and I'll do one. So like I was telling you before, this is series 3. There is a series 1 and 2 as well. I think it's series 2 that has like coffee, Miracle Whip, and things like that. Isn't that hilarious? Well, there was my box opening. I love you. Hope you have a good day. Bye.